Hello values. We are introducing Valuation Software, the comprehensive solution जो asset valuations के तरीके को बदल देता है. Simply enter your username and password to securely access your valuation software and start maximizing your productivity. With our user management sheet, administrators have full control over user access and permissions, ensuring a secure and tailored experience. Introducing our powerful dashboard, your gateway to streamlined navigation and seamless access to all sheets within your valuation software. Say goodbye to the hassle of converting your Excel sheets to PDF. Our Save as PDF button allows you to preserve the formatting and data integrity with a single click. And with our Share as Email attachment button, you can quickly send your Excel sheets PDF as professional email attachments, saving you time and effort.